Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick eyeshadow tutorial using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. There were 5 different obsessions that were released, all having to do with gemstones, and I did previously do one with the topaz obsessions, and I asked in that video what the next one should be that I do, and I had someone suggest the emerald or the amethyst, so today I'm going to do the amethyst obsessions. Okay, so the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette actually comes with 9 beautiful colors. It has 3 matte colors, there's 4 shimmery colors, and then there's 2 that definitely have some glitter in it. Just the colors in here are stunning. I'm really excited to play around with this palette. I did already do my foundation, contour, blush, bronzer, you know, the whole shebang. And then I did prime my eyes with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. So let me zoom you in and we can jump into this eyeshadow palette.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Well, that's it for this look, you guys. I am so in love with this eye look that I just did. This palette by Huda Beauty, the Amethyst Obsessions, it's so much fun to play with, and I didn't even use all the colors. I can't imagine what I could do if I had used every single color in here. I just think maybe it would have been like one big pop of purple. But there's some great colors in here. I kind of kept it a little more neutral on the inner eye. I went a little bit darker on the outside eye and just built it up. I think this eye look would have called for eyelashes, but I just used my IT Cosmetics mascara and it did the job. It just, let me zoom you in a little bit. So I don't have lashes on. I have pretty full lashes as it is anyways, and they're pretty long, but I think the IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara that I used, it does the trick. It definitely, you know, makes them look full, and I think it lengthens them as well. But this eye look is, I don't know if you can, I don't know if the camera just does it justice, but it's these Obsession palettes that came out, I mean, all of them in the collection are really pretty. I'm excited to dive into the other three. I do have something really fun planned for the Ruby and Sapphire Obsessions, which I'm going to take these on my cruise with me, and well, we'll just see what I do. But I will make sure to do a video with them and I will post it. If you like this video, if you like this look, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure to hit that bell icon next to it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And if you have any comments or suggestions, make sure to leave that in the comments section below. And until next time, I'll see you later, guys.